All right, here we go, back in action, and this is about silver because we were talking about this one for several months here. I was saying that silver, in my opinion, could not only be a phenomenal move against inflation and, of course, against the down volatile market, but also in the technicals here, we were looking at the topping out and the testing of this top line resistance that silver was inside of since basically, if you go back from COVID times, and you can see we broke up above $37 an ounce here, 37 and a quarter, basically for the most part. And you'd have to back up, look at this, you'd have to go all the way back here January 2012 before you'd get back to these levels. And you can also see that when we did hit that point back in 2012, we were coming off of this top level trend line that yours truly mentioned in the past to you. And in my opinion, I do think silver actually continues up and gets to that $50+ an ounce level, which of course would be roughly 33%, we'll call it, from where it still currently is sitting right now at 37 and change. But just wanted to show you guys that silver, in my opinion, is actually going to continue to keep climbing. We had some news today, of course. We have shout out to the Discord who let us know that some troops received a meal of steak and lobster, and some are speculating that that means that they're potentially getting ready to go overseas to the Middle East to aid with the whole situation going on over there. And of course, we had the war talks, and we have oil right now up almost 5.5%. And look at the volatility here, right? Because we had some news a couple of days ago on Friday, and we spiked up to just about 77 and a half. It hit 77.57, and then you can see we pulled back. Look at this, I'll zoom in. We tested this trend line here. We bounced back above this top line trend line that we just broke up above, and then look what happened. We broke back below and then spiked right back above this trend line of about, we'll call it 71 a barrel. And you can see that we're approaching this fib. There's a 1-year chart, by the way, 1.618, our golden ratio fib, and we're approaching 73.99. And in my opinion, with all the turmoil going on, we may see oil climb up to this trend line here, which is looking like about 78 and a third, we'll call it, maybe about 78 and a half a barrel. So just a couple of things to keep an eye on, and I just wanted to update you guys on a couple of commodities in the midst of this volatile stock market where sometimes people may not know where to place their chips, so to speak. But that's it. I'll end it there. Like the video, subscribe, all that stuff for the algorithm. Leave a comment. All right, peace.